Hello, my name's Ennis and I'm the CEO of Siemens in the UK. I started my engineering career at the age of 16, took an apprenticeship and progressed through engineering and in the electrical discipline mainly over the course of the next 30 years. I've been really lucky to work with some of the biggest organisations the last 25 years with Siemens. People's initial perspective is that engineering is grubby and you get your hands dirty and you wear blue overall. Engineering isn't just like that, it's far broader than that. Parents have a really important role to play on a decision that a child will make about the future of their career. Engineers are going to help rebuild the infrastructure and economy following COVID. Engineers are going to be at the centre of decarbonising the world of energy, the world of transport, and the world of heat. And so actually we're spending time now engaging with parents so that they understand what an engineering can be and what the opportunities are, because I think that's also an influence on the decision-making process of young students. I also think that Key Stage 4 is very early to be making ultimate decisions. I would still say really carefully consider vocational routes when you're thinking about education, because they not only give you great skills for your future career, but they give you great skills for life as well. Engineers are going to be at the centre of building new markets based on the Internet of Things. And so I think the next 20 to 30 years and beyond is going to be a golden era for engineering. The next engineering revolution starts now. And some of the challenges we see ahead of us, whether it be how do we decarbonise our transport system and hydrogen trains and e-vehicles and battery vehicles and decentralized energy systems and clever heating systems for your home. The cornerstone of how that's going to work is an engineer somewhere, and the importance of engineering and engineers in how we actually tackle some of those societal changes. Transferable skills are extremely important to positioning students for further progress in engineering. And whilst we might not explicitly ask for those transferable skills as part of a search process, actually, when we're looking at differentiating between candidates, it can be the transferable and softer skills that actually makes one candidate stand out over another. We've seen the perception of engineering change over the last 30 years, and the value of vocational training also improve. And I think it's really fundamentally important that we keep challenging those stereotypical norms of engineering. I mean, we spend a lot of time engaging with Key Stage 4 and earlier students, because their perception of what engineering is often disconnected from what it really is, and it's important that for people to make informed choices, we have an obligation to make our environments welcoming to those different diversity characteristics, and that's something we take very seriously at Siemens, and making our place more welcoming, more open, a place where you feel comfortable to be yourself in your work time.